Welcome back to Learn with Amine. Recently, I received a question from one of my viewers on how he can create an official size photograph at home for free. So in this video, I will cover the topic of how to convert a photograph from one size to another size using the free tools, how you can take a picture at home from a mobile phone and then convert it into US size, Canada size, Indian passport size, Turkey passport size, etc. So basically the tools that I'll show you, you can use it to convert any photograph from any size to any size. So that's the first point. Also, I'll be sharing about two tools. The first tool is it has paid option and free option. Even in free option, you can change the photograph from a different color background, dark color background to white color background, and you can convert the size from one size to another and it gets accepted. And the second tool is completely free. In that, you cannot change the background, but it is completely free. If you take a picture on a wall background like this on a white background, then you can convert it into US passport size photographs. So let's get started. In this video, I'll be talking about how to take a photograph at home against the wall background and then convert it into 2" by 2" photograph, which is fundamentally the US standard size for the passport, and it is also used for other official purposes for VFS applications. I would recommend you to take photographs professionally at CVS, Walmart or Walgreens, but if you would want to take a photograph at home, then this option is for you. This is completely free, no need to pay any of the websites or paid websites. So first of all, you need to go to this website, which is called as photogov.net/documents/US passport photo, and then you need to mention get photo for US passport 2x2". So even if you have taken a photograph on a blue background, it can be converted into a white background and the square photograph, which is usually the US standard size. You can select the country from here. So we are selecting US because it is a US standard size 2x2, although it is for VFS application. Select type of document, again US passport, then click on next step. Then it is going to ask you to drop a photograph. So for an example, I am taking a rectangular photograph which is Indian standard size and converting it into the US square size photograph. And also remember that this background is not completely white, so I am taking this photo as an example. Then click on start processing. It says photo is current. Click on next. You need to mention your email address here, then checkbox by clicking on the button you agree to terms and condition, then click on get photo for free. After that, you can let this be. After 4 hours, basically it is going to give you an option to download for free, and after 4 hours this will allow me to download this photograph for free, and you get your US passport size photograph for free by taking a selfie at home. The previous website that I have shown you, it takes around 4 hours to generate a free photograph, but if you want to pay $5, then that website is really good because it also changes the background from any color to the white color. But for example, if you have white walls in your home, then you can use this website that I am going to show you now. It is very simple. Take a picture from the phone, from iPhone or Android, and then maybe it is a rectangular shape, or maybe it is like a portrait photograph. You can use that photograph and you can use this website. It is called as idphotoforyou.com, and this particular website does not make you wait for a free photograph. So let us see how we are going to get the photograph. For this country, you are going to select United States, then you are going to select 2 by 2 inch by 2 inch, and then the print size you can select single photo. Then you can click on the Indian passport size photograph that you have, and then you can click on I have read, I acknowledge, I accept, I accept, I accept this, and then you are going to upload. It will not store any photographs online. It will store the photograph until the photograph is processed. Okay, and if you want to adjust any of the brightness, you could do that, but I would say that you need to leave it natural, and then click on next. And now here it is asking you to adjust the photographs. So it is not a big deal. So basically it is checking for the requirements. The requirements of a US passport size photograph is that your head should be some millimeters away from the top, and your chin should be within the below 50% of the frame. So it is checking for those requirements. So for that, what you need to do, this particular green line, it is to be on top of your hairline, and the bottom needs to be on your chin. So here it is mentioning adjust the bottom green rectangle to the chin, upper green rectangle to the top of the head, and you can move the crop frame with the move buttons and resize with the scale buttons. So we have adjusted the green rectangles to the top of the hairline and the chin. Then you need to click on make photograph, and the photo will be downloadable within 88 seconds. It's not making you wait 4 hours for a free photograph. So you can use this particular website if you have taken your photograph using a mobile phone, and if the background is white background. The other website that I mentioned, it also changes the background color if the background is not white. It has been 90 seconds. It has given me the download link. Now let me click on download, and this has downloaded. So as you can see, this photograph has been downloaded as this. This was the original Indian passport size photograph. And if you look at the US passport size photograph, this is square shape 2 inch by 2 inch, and this photo will be accepted. Make sure that the background is light or white depending on the requirements of the application that you are making. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like, share and subscribe. It will really help us. Thank you so much for your support. Take care and bye bye.